This recipe is extra special today. It's made according to my family's requests and suggestions.
Yes, today's recipe is air-fried chicken gizzard. Friends who enjoy this dish will probably love this recipe. Air-fried chicken gizzards are crispy outside yet tender and springy inside, with an irresistible aroma that highlights their natural umami flavor. The simple seasoning makes them more addictive with every chewy bite. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients are just chicken gizzards. Just clean the chicken gizzards, pat them dry, then season simply and air fry, easy as that. For seasoning, just mix with salt, pepper, and olive oil. That's all you need. Salt and pepper air-fried gizzards are savory and crispy, absolutely addictive with every chew. The spiciness of pepper enhances the gizzard's umami with a satisfying crunch in every bite. Minimal seasoning, but maximum flavor, the ultimate beer snack or binge-watching companion. Eight to 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius gives the perfect texture, crispy outside and springy inside. Beyond 12 minutes makes them tough, so flip halfway and adjust time based on size. When the sizzling lessens, they're ready to serve. If you don't have an air fryer, you can still make delicious chicken gizzards 3 ways. Pan fry them dry in a skillet over medium-low heat until crispy, then season with salt and pepper. Snipping air-fried gizzards with scissors while hot creates irregular pieces with maximized crispiness. The fresh-cut edges develop extra crunch, while the jagged surfaces hold seasonings better than knife-cut slices. Letting them rest 5 minutes before cutting helps retain springiness and prevents crumbling while delivering multi-textured perfection. Chicken gizzards are actually highly nutritious ingredients with 5 main health benefits. High protein, low-fat food, with nearly 20 grams of protein and less than 3 grams of fat per 100 grams. They are ideal for fitness enthusiasts and those managing weight. Rich in heme iron, the iron in gizzards is far more absorbable than plant-based iron, effectively helping prevent and improve iron deficiency anemia. Excellent source of vitamin B12. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining proper nervous system function, especially important for vegetarians who may lack it. High in zinc, zinc boosts immunity, promotes wound healing, and supports taste and smell functions. Natural collagen content, this protein helps maintain skin elasticity and joint health. Note, gizzards are relatively high in cholesterol, so people with hypertension, high cholesterol, or diabetes should consume them in moderation. It's recommended to eat them 2 to 3 times per week, about 100 grams per serving. For better iron absorption, pair them with vitamin C-rich vegetables like bell peppers or broccoli when cooking. People with chronic conditions, those with hypertension, hyperlipidemia, or diabetes should limit intake max to servings week due to high cholesterol content. Gout sufferers beware. As a moderate purine food, avoid during flare-ups, consume sparingly in remission. Not for sensitive stomachs. Tough muscle fibers may be hard to digest for those with weak G function or post-surgery. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. I've been following a meat-free vegetarian diet for half a year, but recently, on my family's advice, I decided to switch to pescatarian fish-based eating. Over the past 2 weeks, I've reintroduced seafood like fish and shrimp, only to find I've developed an unexpected sensitivity. What used to taste neutral now seems overwhelmingly fishy. Maybe I should just listen to my body and go with the flow, right? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.